name is Amita, and in this video, I'm going to tell you that with the help of Canva, how you can make the beautiful thumbnail to upload your video on YouTube. My dear friends, Canva is www.canva.com is a website where you can freely sign up and you can design your beautiful thumbnail by simply using the drag and drop feature. Apart from creating the thumbnail, the Canva designing website can be used to create the flyers, posters, and many other designing purposes. So my dear friends, I'm sharing my screen and directly will take you on the Canva website. We'll tell you how to sign up with that website and how you can make the beautiful designs for the thumbnail, and you can upload your videos on YouTube. Then go to Google and type here www.canva.com. Then you can sign up with Google. Suppose I'm signing with this. Then it will ask you for the password. Then next. After signing in, it will ask whether you are a teacher. So suppose I'm using it for the personal purpose. Try it for 30 days. That's it. So claim my free trial. And once you do it, it will ask like this. Now suppose I want to make the thumbnail. So I will type thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. So these are the various options of the thumbnails are available. Like you can choose as per your requirement. Here there are a lot of designs are available. Can suppose I want this particular, I like this design. So I can click on this. Now whatever you want to write, you can go there and you can write like, as I'm making this video, so I want to create the video on how to use Canva for creating thumbnail. Okay, you can reduce the size also. Right now it's 72, you can make it 56. Okay, you can change the font style also. Suppose I like this, or you can set like this also. You can increase the weight also. You can do the proper alignment. Right now it is left align. You can make it center. You can make it right align also. I want it center, so you can do it center also. Apart from that, if you want to change the image, suppose I don't want this image, if I want to change the image, like if you are already want image from these photos already inbuilt library, you can use these photos. Or if you want your photos, what you can do, you can upload an image. You can take whenever it is there. Suppose your images are your image is available in your system, so you can choose that image. Like I'm choosing my image like this image, then open, it will be uploaded. Now I want to replace this image with my photo, so you can add like this. You can use your image here. You can set like this. You can put your image here, and here you want to give some images of the thumbnail. Here mainly we want to put those images which you want, the topic of your video. Here you should put your image. I'm making the video to make the thumbnail, so let's search some good thumbnail in Google. So thumbnail images. So you can take any of the images like YouTube thumbnail, or you can use this. Yeah, this also you can use, or this image. I think it's good image. You can save image. Desktop we have saved. Okay, then can do. Now you can go to Canva. You can upload that image here from the desktop. You can upload image, YouTube thumbnail. Maybe this, and we can add it and we can set here. So this is how you can create a beautiful thumbnail. Apart from that, if you want to add some elements to make it more lucrative, there are a lot of elements are there. Suppose you want to add this sticker, so we can use it. You can put like this, so you can use any kind of shape, and whatever shape you want, you just go to that shape and click on that. It will be automatically added in the thumbnail. Suppose you want to add some standard text style, you can use by this. This is one important thing. Suppose if you want to add video in your thumbnail, you can use it. If you want to change the background, you can use these features. Like if I change the background, you can see that the background of the thumbnail has been changed. You can have a different kind of background, like you can use this also. So this is how you can change the background, and that's it. Now once your thumbnail is over, like you can here the image is coming above the text. So suppose if I want to send this image back, right click on that and send backward. So automatically that image will go to backward. If I want to bring it forward, bring forward. So this is how you can, when the images are overlapping, you can choose that which image you want at the top and which image you want at the back side. And once your design is over, what you can do, you can go to this download. It will ask for the type of file. You can choose JPG and you can click on download. So this is how your design is ready. Once it will download, now the design is ready. You can use it and you can save it for further purpose. You can save it at any location. So my dear friends, whatever information I have shared related to create the beautiful thumbnail with the help of Canva, it will be useful for you, and you can design a very attractive and beautiful thumbnail by using Canva software, and you can upload your video on YouTube with these attractive thumbnails. My dear friends, if you like this video, kindly press the like button, and if you feel that whenever I make such kind of video, a notification should reach to you, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.